guys, welcome back to Nonsense44, and today, welcome back. This is the third part of the four-part series of how I explain what stuff is and how stuff gets done. So now I'm gonna be doing how I do YouTube's thumbnails. Obviously, my latest video, it was about how I edit my videos. So basically, I would go into text here. And honestly, this is the font that I use. Hugs and kisses coming your way. That's a lie. Don't listen to this stuff. Alright, there we go. So obviously it doesn't have shotcut here. You see if I go shotcut. Yeah. So if I get out of here and so then you go here and you can just go shotcut. So you can just go in images. Boom. This is a good one. So let's save the image as. Great. So now we go here. Oh yeah, I just needed this for a link in this video, or in my latest video. Anyway, so now we go here. And then we can just drag this here. Now, boom, I got this. So now I can start writing this. I normally go for 96.6 because it's a good size. Okay, so now we can just go, how I edit my videos, using, and we can just do this. We can just widen this. Right, so I'm gonna have to make this a little bit smaller. Boom. So that's good, and now I can just drag this. I can plop it right here. That is literally how simple it is. And, yeah, that's literally it. I can add a background. What should we add it? Let's red. Nah. Oh, no. What am I using? Yeah, no, I don't want white. Purple, no. No, maybe. This is a maybe. No. 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 Actually, let's see the blue. So this, it's too dark. Nah. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I can just crop this. So it makes it completely blue. Except for the middle, but that's just going to have to stay that way because I don't have any control over that. Maybe if I use a really good editing software, then, Yeah, but boom. That is literally it. Short video, guys. But basically, I just download it. I normally put it as a JPG. And then I literally just download it. That's it, guys. So I download this. It goes up here. When I go into the video details, I'll do that tomorrow or the day after because there's a lot of stuff going on. I just finished recording, or I just finished editing how I edit my videos. So that's why if you see it down here in the bottom, it's literally just exporting. But yeah, that's literally it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. The software that I use to edit my video is Canva. Just go canva.com, make your little account. It's free. You don't even have to make an account, I don't think. And you can literally, you just make banners and stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this was a little bit helpful for those small creators out there. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!